Hello campers, I am Dr. Wilson and I have been asked to give you some tips on training the alien guests who have joined you at Space Camp. To do that, I'm going to have my dog Josie help me. Josie, say hello. If Josie could talk, she might say she's too shy to say hello. But shyness just means being afraid of new people and situations. She isn't used to being in my office with the lights on her. No one likes being afraid, including Josie. So we try to avoid situations that make us afraid. Josie would like to leave right now, but avoiding fear isn't going to make it better. It will make it worse. Instead, to improve shyness when meeting new people, our alien friends have to practice. I used to be scared to talk on video, but I did it once. And you know what? I was still scared. I was scared the second time, the third time, and the fourth time. In fact, it took 75 times of talking on video to not be scared. Now I love it. You might be wondering how we can get our alien friends to practice saying hello. First, we want to start small. Josie would be really scared if she could see all of you right now. But she is a lot less nervous when she meets one person or a small group. It will be easier for Raz, Jax, and Starla to meet you in small groups. Next, we can teach them astronaut breathing. That's what I did every time before I was going to be on video. It's easy. Will you try it with me? First, take a deep breath in, exhale, and then hold your breath until it feels uncomfortable. Then breathe normally. Breathing this way can help you feel calmer. Finally, we can use a countdown. When astronauts are on a rocket about to launch, they hear a countdown. No matter how nervous they are, that rocket is going to blast off after a count of 1. You can mentally count down from 5 to 1 and then push yourself to say hello to someone new. Let's see if we can get Josie to say hello with a high five by counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Josie, give me a high five. Good job. Campers, you can lead by example for our alien guests by saying hello to at least 5 new people this week. I can't wait to hear how it goes. Bye-bye. Josie, say